Today I am going to make prawn biryani. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. So let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 200 grams prawns, deveined and washed thoroughly. 2 bowls 70% cooked rice. You can see the link in description box. 1 bowl of fried onions, 1 bowl of mint leaves, 1 bowl of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons milk with saffron, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoons biryani masala, 3 slit green chili, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, salt to taste and oil. First we will place prawns in bowl. Now we will add ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, garam masala, green chilies, biryani masala, yogurt, little oil, fried onions, mint leaves, coriander leaves and mix well and cover it and keep it for 1 hour for marination. Now in a pan put little oil and add marinated prawns and saute it for 5 minutes. Now spread 1 layer of rice over it. Now spread fried onions, coriander leaves, mint leaves, saffron milk and biryani masala over it. Now again spread 1 layer of rice, onion, coriander leaves, mint leaves, saffron milk and biryani masala. Now cover this with aluminium foil and cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Yummy, tasty and delicious prawn biryani is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I will be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.